Keziafa Ifunanya Ezewulu. I brought you here. Put that SAS Okuzo. How long came on a SAS Okuzo?
1 week.
How long came on a SAS Okuzo? That's specific questions. If you're on a SAS Okuzo, you were there almost 2 months.
A month and
how many days?
A month and 2 weeks.
A month and 2 weeks. Yeah, but a month and 2 weeks. And they took you to court and remanded you in prison custody. True or false? Now listen to me. And the case of advance fee fraud, 419. Now, fire land, Tobogo, Fakutabogo, Elan, Ebuye Fuego, Messia Vachopta, and I warned you. You see a car, Nata. Yes, Nkpor. Nkpor. We don't need criminals in this town. He went on to build a bendable dosa. No museum. And from what I am gathering, that house has been invaded several times by both police and by army over your criminal activities. True or false? My friend, listen to me. I am telling you based on confirmed information I have about you. You are a criminal, and I warned you that if you go Nkpor police, you just say about kiss na boy elementary. We will not tolerate it. We cannot tolerate it. We cannot tolerate it. Just a few days ago, you will also be able. Where is Obia? I just put the police station. I'm not going no taking you on bail. It's your poor bill. The police not just put here. Onyaka, my boys in the Kabia Pulonium. Or Pulopalo, you. They come in a poor. After how many months? You are a serial offender. A serial offender. And I, as the chief security officer of Nkpor, will not tolerate you to live in Nkpor. Date the time I'm getting. What's today's date? 28. The 1 week I'm giving you is I'm being very graceful. You have 1 week. Look at me. You're a criminal. There's no need hiding you because all your days over on me, look, Anambra says security, Homeland Security law. Listen to me. Anambra says Homeland Security law stipulates that now you cannot stay in somebody's house and be doing fetish things. Otherwise, government will come and demolish that house. And you, Abulugo, a confirmed serial offender, a criminal by all standards, you will not stay in Nkpor. Today is 28th of January. 1 week from now, if you are still here, I will exercise my powers as the chief security officer of Nkpor. And you, oh yeah, Megan Anya. And I'm even my way. And even my way. Don't test my resolve.